Hello, children. How are you all? I hope you are fine and keeping in good health. I'm your class teacher, Mrs. Rosemary Dudhat, and today I'm going to teach you the first lesson from English subject. It is a poem, that is Rain in the Night. Okay, if you have a textbook with you, then you can open it and just go along with me as I'm reading. Raining, raining all night long, sometimes loud, sometimes soft, just like a song. There will be rivers in the gutters and lakes along the street. It will make our lazy kitty wash his little dirty feet. The roses will wear diamonds like kings and queens at court. But the pansies all get muddy because they are so short. I'll sail my boat tomorrow in wonderful new places. But first, I'll take my watering pot and wash the pansies' faces. See, children, we have read this poem. Okay, this poem is about the rain. Right now, we see that it is rainy season. Rainy season is going on, and we all love rainy season, isn't it? Because we get to experience so many things in rainy season. This poetess is also telling us about the rain, and she's telling us what all experiences, her experiences she's telling us during this rainy season. Raining, raining all night long, sometimes loud, sometimes soft, just like a song. She's trying to tell us that it was raining for the whole night. And when the raindrops are dripping down, she says it is raining, sometimes loud and sometimes soft. You also must have experienced it, isn't it? That when it is raining, sometimes it is very loud and sometimes it is just like drizzling, soft, soft, soft. You can hear the rain sounds. So this poetess is also telling us that it's raining all night and sometimes loud and sometimes soft. And even she tells us that it is just like a song. You know, you also observe the raindrops, okay? Next time you observe that, when you're listening to the sound of the rain, it is like some music is going on, and you will also feel like, different song is being played, and you will listen it like a song. The poetess is experiencing that. And then she says, during the rainy season, there will be rivers in the gutters and lakes along the street. Now, see in this image, there are all the images coming up. Okay, you just observe the images. Here it is saying that there will be rivers in the gutters. You see already, when it is raining, heavy rains, and the gutters are full of water, river water, rain water. It looks like river in the gutters and lakes along the street. See this image. There is full of water, along the street. It looks like lake. And sometimes we see that, there are floods, flood water, so much of water everywhere. In all these images you can see, you can understand it clearly. And then she says, it will make our lazy kitty wash his little dirty feet. Okay, see in this first image, you see it's a lazy kitty. She's saying her kitty is lazy, but the rain will make her lazy kitty wash its little dirty feet. Her feet have got dirty, muddy in the rain, but the rain water will wash the kitty's feet. Then she says in the third paragraph, the roses will wear diamonds. You can see this rose, the image of rose. The roses will wear diamonds. Means the raindrops, it's the raindrops that is on the flower. You can see it is shining like diamonds, like kings and queens at court. You have seen those crowns, no? The kings and queens. They have got small diamonds on the crown. See, it's there in the image. You can understand through that image that there are some this diamond stones on the crown, like kings and courts, queens at court. So this rose doesn't have that stones, the original diamond stones, but the raindrops are shining on the flower, rose flower. So she says that the roses will wear diamonds. And after that she says, but the pansies all get muddy. The pansies all get muddy. You know what is the meaning of this pansies? Pansies means they're very small plants. Okay, they have got some flowers on that, beautiful flowers. They're very short. They don't grow big. They're very short plants, and they have got very lovely flowers on them. Pansies have got different color flowers. Some flowers are purple, some flowers are yellow, and some are with white, petals, velvet petals. See the images there. It's very clear to you. Looking at the image, it's very clear. The pansies look like this. And she says that the pansies all get muddy because of the rain water. And after that, she says that because they are very short, they get muddy. Okay. And as she's talking about all these things, she says at the last paragraph, I'll sail my boat tomorrow. See, there's an image that the children are playing with the paper boats. You also like to make on a paper boats, and you enjoy in the rain playing and making paper boats, and sailing on the rainwater. So the children are also enjoying. Even this poetess does the same thing. She also makes the paper boats. She wants to sail it, in wonderful new places. She says, I want to sail the boat in wonderful new places, but I will do it tomorrow. Why she wants to do it tomorrow? Why not today? She wants to do it tomorrow. But she says, see in the last second line in the fourth paragraph. But first, I'll take my watering pot and wash the pansies' faces. She wants to wash those flowers. They're very beautiful flowers, but they've got all dirty, and she doesn't like it. So she wants to wash all those flowers. So she says, I'll take my watering pot, I'll wash the fancy's faces, and then I can play with my paper boat and I can sail the boat tomorrow in wonderful new places. Okay, so you must have understood the poem. Yeah, and it's a lovely poem. The poetess is telling all her experiences, and she says it is loud, it is soft. You have seen in the beginning video, we have shown you that video how the raindrops are falling. It's very loud, it is very soft, and just like a song, all these things. So I hope you have understood this poem. Okay, after this, you have to read this poem first. You read this poem on your own. Go through the poem, go through all those lines. You read it on your own. Okay, and now I'm going to give you some dictation words. From this poem, I'm going to give you few dictation words. Those are some difficult words, and that you have to write it down and you have to learn those words. Okay, from the poem. And I hope you have liked this poem very much, and thank you.